everyone, Live It Like Lisa here. Sorry about how I look. I've just pretty much this minute come home from work. It's Thursday today, so I've got my rostered day off tomorrow. And I quickly just wanted to show you a couple of cool finds that I found in the thrift store today. Yeah, because some of it I'm going to be doing some DIYs too for Halloween, so I thought I'd just quickly show you this and then I'll sort of explain what I'll be doing with them as well. So first of all, what I found was this what do you call them? Stainless steel teapot. Like, how freaking cool is that? And it's a proper heavy one too. Like, it's actually real metal and really heavy. And that was $15. And oh my God, like, I just love that. Now, this not necessarily for Halloween. I'm just going to probably display this in my little butler's pantry area after Halloween. So I just absolutely love that. It's so nice. And to go with that, I also got this smaller little jug. So it's like a teapot and a jug. This little one was, well, this one actually says $20 and this says $10, but I think she gave me both of them for $25. So yeah, I probably got $5 off one of them. So I'm wrapped in those. And like I said, they're proper heavy stainless steel one. Is it stainless steel that you call this stuff? I don't know, whatever it is, but how pretty do they look? And they just look so nice displayed. Like, I'm not planning on actually using them, but yeah. So that's the first find. And like I said, not necessarily for Halloween, but anyway. So what I actually went into the thrift store for was to find a pair of shoes that I could turn into witches' shoes. So the pair that I found were these. Now, these are not for me to wear or anything like that. I don't even think they're my size. But I just want to display them with my little witch's hat and witch's broomstick. So I'm actually going to be doing a little DIY on these and turning them into some witch's shoes. So I thought they're just pretty much perfect looking, like, you know, a perfect base to start with for a witch's shoe. So yeah, stay tuned for that video. That will be coming up this weekend. And this is why I wanted to show you this like pretty much today, so that then I can start doing my DIYs as soon as I finish filming this. The other cool things I found were these little bottles here, and they've got like a little glass lid on them. And I will be using these on my little witch's display for some like potion bottles. So I'll be giving these a makeover as well, and turning them into some like witch's potion type bottles. And that's another one there with a little cork on. And they were only, these ones, I think, oh yeah, all $2 each. So, I mean, it's just perfect. Like, that's just exactly what I was looking for. So they'll look good on my little witch's shelf. The other two things I bought were these ceramic, what are they? Like a ceramic wine jug. Now, I did buy them with the intention of turning them into some sort of Halloween sort of jug. I might do it to one of them, and then I might keep one of them to do a different style of makeover too. And these were only $3 each. So yeah, that if I do end up doing a Halloween sort of makeover to one, obviously I'll do a video on it. And yeah, the other one I may just save for a different type of makeover. So those two. And the last thing was this little, I don't know what you call it, little pot stand, I guess. I'm a sucker for these little things. I didn't really have it in mind to use for Halloween, but I just think they're just so cute. So that was $1. Yeah, I love that. And then the last thing I bought was just this basket. This was $4. Oh, that's just the lid for one of those jugs. This was only $4, and to be honest, I only picked this up to like put all my stuff in while I was walking around the store. But then when I got to the checkout, I thought, you know what, for $4, that's a really nice looking basket, and it's very, very strong and sturdy too. Like, it's made out of quite thick rattan wicker, yeah, and it's quite thick as well. So that was only $4, and you know, with me having the country theme, I'll definitely make use of that after Halloween. So yeah, that was my little thrift store haul for today. And as soon as I've finished filming this, believe it or not, I've got more Halloween stuff. So I may even do another really quick Halloween decor haul, because there was just a few more little bits that I was chasing and found. So yeah, I might actually do my another Halloween haul, mainly from Target. This one was. And then I'm going to get stuck into some of my DIYs, because I've got Friday, Saturday, Sunday off to try and get them all done and get them filmed and out to you guys, you know, in time for Halloween at least. So yeah, quick video. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my videos, because I'd love to have you as one of my subscribers. And if you are one of my subscribers and you do comment on my videos, you will know that I do like interact with you guys and answer your questions and things like that. So yeah, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.